Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to deposit money from bank accounts to Binance account. In case if you're among those searching for how you can deposit money from your bank accounts to Binance account, stay with me in this video as I'll be taking you step by step on how you can deposit your money from your bank accounts to Binance account. So let's go straight to Binance mobile app now. Let me take you step by step on how you can deposit money from your bank accounts to your Binance account. So right now we're on Binance mobile app. You can see we are on the home page. So to deposit your money now from your bank account to Binance account, you go through the P2P. So on the home page now, you locate P2P. So in case if you do not see the P2P in your home page, you click on more. So here you can see P2P, then click on P2P. And it will take you to this phase. So right here you can see the number of sellers who we are willing to buy from. So to deposit your money now from your bank account to Binance account, you exchange your fiat currency to any crypto here. You can either decide to buy BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, or any of these coins over here. So remember, you must be on the buy side. As a beginner, you have to exchange your fiat currency with a suitable coin, which is USDT. Because if you buy any of these coins here, there are no suitable coins. If the price goes up, your money goes up, and if the price goes down, your money also go down. That is why you will buy USDT, which is a stable coin. And here are the number of sellers who we are willing to buy from. And you already know the amount of USDT you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 20,000 naira worth of USDT. All we have to do now is just to click on filter. You can see it over here. You click on filter. So it will take you to this phase. Now, let's say we want to buy 20,000 naira worth of USDT. You type the 20,000 naira, the amount of crypto you want to buy, or the amount of USDT you want to buy. You put it in this column. You say 20,000. So down here you see payment time limit. You see you allow it to be in all time. So you come down to this place, you choose the payment method. Let's say you want to go by bank transfer, then you click on bank transfer. So now here you can see verified merchant ads only. If you don't want to be seeing verified merchant ad only, you can turn it off so as you can be able to see both verified merchant ad and non-verified merchant ad. So after that you click on confirm. So now right here you can see we have both verified merchant and non-verified merchant. And most times the price of the non-verified merchant ad are always cheaper than the verified merchant ad. So you can see this one, the price is selling is 920 naira per USDT. And down here you can see verified merchant ad. They are selling 921 naira and above. As you go down, you can see those selling even 922 naira. You can see 923 naira. So the things you have to consider now before choosing any of these merchants here are: number one, you have to choose the completion rate and number of trades completed. So to be at the safer side, I advise you buy from the verified merchants to avoid falling into a wrong hand. So to check the completion rate now, you can see it over here. The first one, the completion rate is 100%, while number of trades completed is just 44. Then as you go down, you see this one, completion rate is 99%, while the number of trades completed is 4,133. And I always advise you buy from those that have completed at least 500 trades and has completion rate of at least 90% and above. So and you can see this one now has a completion rate of 89.4% and have completed a total trade of 1,416. So it's almost 90%. And you can see the price is 920. Then you can choose to buy from this person. Then you click on buy. So in this column here, you put the amount of crypto you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 20,000 worth of USDT. So you can see with 20,000 naira, the quantity of USDT we can buy is just 21.73. So after that, now all you do is to click on buy. So always check the terms and conditions of the seller before placing your order. You can see I'm online, pay fast, I will release fast. So if you want to check the feedback, positive feedback is 4,665, while the negative feedback is 239. So it means we can buy from this person. You can see fast transaction, good. So the positive feedback is greater than the negative feedback. So which means we can go ahead and buy from this merchant. So once you check that, the next thing you do is to click on buy with zero fee. So here you see order created, and then I'm online, pay fast, I will release fast. So now you can click on this chart to see the requirement. You can see I'm online, pay fast, I will release fast. So you go ahead and click on make payment. So right over here now is where you're going to copy the account details of the seller. Now you can see copy the account number and the account name, and also you note the bank name so as you will not make a mistake while transferring. So all you have to do is you look at this place, ensure the payment is successful, then click the button below to notify the seller. Remember here you say, so at the top of this layer, you can see pay with your own payment account that matches your Binance verified name. Otherwise, your order may be cancelled and your account suspended. Do not include any crypto related words, example crypto BTC, in the description of your payments. So this is just trying to tell you that third-party payment is not accepted. So you copy the details and now go to your mobile app and make the transfer, and then come back to this place and click on transfer, notify seller. So after then, once you transfer the money and click on transfer, notify seller, you have completed the payment. The seller will now verify your payment and then transfer your crypto straight to your wallet. And that's how you can deposit your money from a bank account to your wallet. So when the seller transfer the crypto to your Binance account, you can come back to this place and click on wallet. The crypto you deposited will appear here. So if you really got value in this video, feel free to smash the like button. If you're just visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe, turn on the notification button so as you will always be the first to be notified whenever I post awesome content like this and many more easy ways to make money online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.